Dancing, dancing, film it, I'm dancing!
Recording it all,
The Slug Boys, ah yay!
Hopefully we get fucking the Mario Brothers again.
The fucking Mario realm.
What?
Oh fuck, spider! Fuck, I missed it!
Where's?
No!
Where's?
You leave it alone, you dickhead! Run! 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 Grab the camera!
Oh, let's go! Guys, help me! Help! For what? Get off me!
What's he doing?
My boy over there, dog. That's my boy over there. I need to leave. I've got 36% back.
Fuck!
He's the one who... But okay,
You absolute fucking idiot!
That's crazy.
Stop! Let me go!
Not really.
Even is that meant to be?
It's Glasgow.
That's Glasgow, mate.
It just looks like Glasgow. Hello everybody, and welcome to another episode of Junkie Hunting. We're in the town. We're looking for the creeps. Let's fucking go!
We're on 89%.
89 just for that.
Hey, that's like modern French,
That's what
man.
you sound like to me. Ba 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 beep shop boop.
That's the camera!
I'm putting in a thing right away.
Did he just... Who's dead?
Let me squeeze in. Oh yeah.
Fuck off.
Oh, I'm going to get rid of the laser so he's sure here. Get back! Get back! He just looks like my old grandpa.
Are you
Got a wee
alright?
friend. I've got a friend.
Hey, he's hideous, he's ugly.
Don't talk about my grandpa like that.
Maybe.
I don't know.
What is that meant to be?
Oh,
Why is he? I'll put it.
red light, red light, red light, red light.
Run! He's coming! He's coming!
Oh, fucking recording. Oh, there's my old grandpa. He's coming with us. Shut the door.
Where's the button? Fucking hell.
And you go put that in.
Make sure I fucking save this. Breaking news! We are going into the fucking asylums, boys. We're gonna be but apparently there's some fucking creatures down there that need to be filmed. Some people don't believe any of this shit, so we're gonna be journalists and find out what is actually down there.
Such a video, please. Never do it. Okay, I'll kill me. Alright.
Oh, it's so ugly, it's so ugly!
Oh, let's go! Guys, help me! Let me die.
Get up! It's fucking deep! Guys! There's something scary down there, man. So creepy. Oh! That's my boy over there, dog. That's my boy over there. That's my boy, dog. Spider-Man. He's the one. But okay, God, no! Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Junkie Hunting. We're in the town. We're looking for the creeps. Let's fucking go. Bitch. Yep.
Take a dive, big man.
Going deep.
No fucking way.
Who's dead? That's fucking French. That's it.
Let me squeeze in.
I'll put the camera.
Where's the... I'm going to put it right. Ah!
No, I'm going to get rid of the lasers so I'm sure of you. Mate, but you... Get back! Get back! He just looks like my old grandpa. And To be honest with you, you're actually quite fast, aren't you? I've got a friend.
Hey, he's hideous, he's ugly.
Don't talk about my grandpa
What the
like
fuck
that.
is it meant to be?
I don't know.
What is that meant to be? He's coming!
Oh, there's my old grandpa, he's coming with us. Shut the door. An old wee character in that video there.
There you go.
Brilliant.
We only need like 500 left.
I guess this is the only way we can go. Fuck off, man.
I think we just sit here and wait for something coming through, I guess. Wait. Oh no, there's no way of getting through this. Oh, for fuck's sake, man! No fucking way, you absolute daft cunt. Oh fuck. I'm not fucking trying that out. I'll wait for something to come to me. Let's just kind of like chill around here. Oh my god, it's the fucking... You! I need you for the fucking film! Is it even worth it watching that bit?
You can if you want. Sake, well mate, you could have ended.
I'm not going in those lasers. Both of you fucking died.
What did I say, Lewis?
I hope we get to 500 views.
I
know.
Hello.
Come on, please.
We're actually just under it.
Just under.
That's crazy. Right, I think so. Me and Lewis have made a vote. Well, you're never going to be the camera. Get on. Hello, anybody in? This is the police. Open the
I
door.
shot myself.
They're trying to get us. They're trying to get us.
Oh, it's a world!
Let's get myself attached. Attach me. Right, come on. There's somebody I get attached to me.
He's attached to your
He's on me.
nuts.
Somebody else got attached. Right, somebody get
Oh,
attached.
you dick! Who's it? Who's it?
Right, there we go. It's you.
Jackson.
I'm done.
Something
Trying to
coming
come
up.
here, but...
What the fuck?
What's up? I can just try to jump us.
What about Sauce? It's here. It's here with us.
I mean, it's not here.
It's fucking here with us. It's here with us.
I don't see anything. The world, do you see anything?
I think this man's schizophrenic.
I'm going mental, big man.
Oh, fuck!
It's just
Fucking
me, guy.
gremlin again!
Get him! Get him!
Block his path!
I don't know, we kind of went for a lot of cave systems. Can you get off me, big
We're
man?
right in circles.
Well, I asked for it, no me.
What are you saying? I asked for it? You fucking... shoving me under the fucking cock?
Well, yeah, you need to complete the third day.
I need a piss again. It's just that drink, innit? Something about that drink
know
makes
what
you
you're
want to
doing,
do wee peas all the time.
Wee
Right,
peas.
go
You
to
take a
piss then.
fucking 7 business days, mate.
I'll take 7 business days and you'll like it.
That's a fair. Let's try to get the third day completed. He's a bit stuck there anyway.
Shut up, man. Shut the fuck up!
Get out the doorway, mate. Why'd you know I was going to start recording? He's actually still stuck. There we go.
And the fuck?
Guys, I'm getting
Oh,
chased.
shit.
I've got the camera on me. I've got both the cameras.
Ah! Go! Run! Run! Right, oh, find the way back. I'm getting shot!
Damn. Damn, that's my dog, man. Don't go down, go up, you dick. Oh, great skull. Show me the way. The fuck? You bastard. He's a bastard. You killed me, you bastard. You fucking killed me.
Playing this game with one.
Oh shit, what's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Ah! Hey, let's go. We got a new
What was
fucking
that?
creature.
Okay,
New
what-
creature.
It's like grabby thing.
Hey!
Oh.
Hey! Ah! Where is it?
Oh, fuck me.
Get him off me! Get him
Holy
off
fuck.
me!
They're all after you, mate. If you drop that camera, we're fucked. What the fuck is Severus Snoop? Severus Snoop! Oh, what the fuck? Ah, fucking!
Oh, he's hitting.
Ah!
I flung a thing at it, but it didn't work! It didn't work! It's me! Stay away! And I...
Mate, we've done half a sponsor. Perform new dance in front of two monsters. So we've done one.
Alright, that thing. Right, there's 3 dances. Dance 103, dance 101, or dance 102.
Dance 102. Come to me. Watch yourself.
Ah!
Fuck's sake, that's just death. Did he just?
I think he did.
Did he just?
Oh, oh fuck.
Hey, don't go down there, I mean.
Aye.
Oh, please, don't you dare. Don't you dare.
Ah, yourself!
Phil, that's fucking Phil once again. Multiple guys, what the fuck's happening?
Dancing, film it, I'm dancing!
Recording it all, recording it all.
Fuck! Okay,
Oh no, no, wait.
the music's kicked up, something's here. Oh fuck, it's the dog with the fucking laser cannon. He's in the fucking maze wheel.
Oh no! Mate, you're gonna need to make your move here, big man. Come on. Fuck it. I'm slow.
Just missed him.
Fuck
He
me.
filled in a big hole!
Fuck him, man.
I just missed him and he filled in a hole.
Quick escape, but oh wait, he's actually there.
Whoa!
Turn around. The spawn point's there.
Wait, is that it there?
Yes!
Happy accident.
Wait. No way, man.
You're some lucky
that
cunt, you are. You
but
fucking
I know
lucky
that
bastard.
I'm surprised I made that. I know, I literally seen the hole and just ran for it, mate. Why? You laid back like screenshotted that. Fuck is that?
Come down.
Multiple guys, do you what the fuck's happening?
Dancing, film it. Have a total of 850. Claim your reward. Return to the fucking meta center to fucking get to fuck. Handbag.
Herman's Borkin bag.
Prada. Birkin bags, baby.
I hope we get a sponsor on the real YouTube.
Oh, who the fuck's that? Oh, it's Fisherman.
Drop the bag, drop the bag, bro.
Wait. Fuck.
Let's look at me, look at me. Sponsored by Prada. Sponsored by Prada. Oh, well, fucking fuck that, Victor. Camera! Drop it! I can't do anything for... Help me! Help!
Oh, there's big fucking seal.
Sponsored by
Look
Prada.
up, you cunt.
What the fuck's that? You don't take my bag. Please! Go away, man, you're nothing now. They couldn't like you. They couldn't want you anymore. Get your fingers away from me. You fucking big grotty bastard. Get them away, man. Big grotty bastard. Hey! Smell those fingers. That's a bit something. I can smell those fingers. Fucking.
You can't escape, Mr. Tickle.